Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all having a great day. I'm having a super happy day. I feel good. Everything's great. Now, having said that, and actually before I even get started with this video, I do want to say, Terry at Yarn Joey Podcast, I seen that you asked me how I pronounce my name, so I wanted to tell you, you are so super close. Although it does not bother me that if you mispronounce my name is always mispronounced. It's not a big deal. But to properly pronounce it, it is Alana. It's super close to Elena, but just, I always tell people, think of it like a lawn, like you mow the lawn, Alana. It's actually, my name is Russian. My mom told me that she got it from a soap opera that she watched when she was younger, when she was pregnant with us, maybe? Me and my twin sister. Oh, was it something family? Oh, of course, I can't remember what the name of that is. I really want to say it was something family, but I can't remember. Anywho, my name is the name of a Russian mobster's daughter. I don't know. My mom got it from that soap opera and it stuck. So my name is Alana, but like I said, it does not bother me in the least if you mispronounce my name. Everybody does it. It's nothing new. So, but thank you, and can't wait for your next episode. Okay, so anyway, in my last episode of Finish It Friday, I had drawn again Matt being my husband, being quiet because this is like an exterior wall. The ceiling is right here, and I thought it was raining. I was like, holy cow. But anyway, so I have to tell you, okay, I worked on it. I did. However, I didn't work on it as much as I intended to. Like, I seriously wanted to just bust. My goal in my head was that I at least wanted to be halfway done with this Afghan. At least halfway. And I didn't even do that. I honestly, I just kind of took it nice and easy and slow and kind of just had a break for a while. Because I was like, I'm ready for a little bit of a break. And, some things have been going on behind the scenes with our internet, our provider, knock on wood, that's going great. And my husband heard of a deal that was going on at Verizon, and he was like, you know what, honey, it's just time you get a new phone. Him and the girls had new phones, but I really didn't want one because I love my phone. And he's like, you know what, it's time you get a new phone. So he got me a new phone that was way on sale, like a huge sale. And I got a new phone, so I had to learn how to use that. I had to, the camera, learning it and remembering your settings on a camera for filming is a joke. That is so aggravating. Anyway, so I've just been doing all kinds of different things. And so I did, like I said, I worked on it, just not as much as I would have liked. But I'll go ahead and show you what I did get done. Here is what I did get done. So it's not a whole heck of a lot, and I'm looking past you because that's where I can see what I'm filming, so I can see what you see when I go like this. But there you go. If it would stay up. So you can see I worked a few rows, not a whole heck of a lot, but, and the pattern, this blanket is a very easy pattern. The pattern is not hard, the stitch pattern. The color pattern is a joke. It's a 12 round repeat. So, and the way that the pattern is written and worded is so easy to get confused and lost. That's why I ended up putting it down the first time, because I got so annoyed with trying to get that color right, the color pattern right, and the way it was written. So I wrote it all out. I thought I had it right, and turns out I didn't. So I had to pull back 20 rows to, yeah. Anyway, so I am ready to draw something new. I'm ready to get back on the bandwagon with the Finish It Friday projects. So, get the Finish It Friday box. Alright, here is my little projects container. Give it a good shake. It really does sound like it's raining. Alright. Please, please, can I get a corner to corner graph gan? Oh, I had one, but I dropped it. That's all right. Here we go. And it is... Dun, dun, dun. If you guys hear anything in the background, I got my husband's watching TV in the other room. Doll dress. For Pete's sake. I'm telling you, I have an equal amount of everything in this tote, or in these little containers. So the fact that I keep drawing amigurumi, doll body, doll dress, and an Afghan twice, the same Afghan twice, is kind of annoying, right? Am I on the right one? Yeah, doll dress. Please be something easy. Please be something easy. Everybody say, please be something easy. All right, here we go. Here we go. It is... Guinea. Okay, okay. So I have... Think. Where are they at? I have a doll. Oh, it's in my tote. I know exactly where she is. She's called a Guinea doll, or Ginny, G-I-N-N-Y, Ginny, which to me, Ginny is J-E-N-N-Y, but anyway. And I have a little crochet dress for her. So, I will put these back up. Loud pop. That one wasn't very loud. Another loud pop. Loud pop. There. Okay. So I will go and I will get the doll and I will get the pattern for her, a little dress for her. So I will be right back. Okay, so I found her. I honestly do not remember where I found this doll. I don't remember anything about her. But I have this, and she is G-I... Well, I can just open it. And I'm not going to cut any of these clothes. The clothes are going to actually probably stay with her in a bag or something. 1984. Oh, she is a... She doesn't seem very well put together either. Oh, it's just a rubber band. I didn't know that. It says Vogue doll. But that's a Guinea doll, right? I don't know. Anyway, all of her clothes come right off, like they're just little snaps. But it says, oh, there. It says Vogue Dolls 1986. But then her little tag says 1984. It says February Amethyst. So I'm guessing this must have been a birthstone doll of some sort. But her back says 1986, but the little label right here says 1984. I don't know. But like I said, I'm not going to ruin any of her clothes. I wouldn't do anything like that. I do need to fix her hair though. But here she is. The focusing on this phone is... I don't know how to, I'll work on that. So yeah, there's her. And then I have this pattern that I got off Etsy. It's nothing fancy. I mean, what she's wearing is nicer than this is, but I just thought it'd be fun to, just to buy it and make it. But that is her. And here you can see, I didn't know if maybe it said, the name of the Etsy shop that I got it from, but I'm not seeing it. But it does say this right there. So that might help. But this is the little outfit. Like I said, it's nothing fancy. Nothing, what she's wearing is not neater, but I mean, you know, zhuzhier, I guess. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I will work this up. This will be really quick. She's got little booties. Let's see. Does it have... I didn't know if maybe it had more pictures of the outfit, like maybe like if there was panties or something like that, but I'm not seeing that. Alright, so that is for today. There we go. All right. I will get her. Oh, this is going to be fun figuring out what color for a blonde. I think I should keep it purple. Honestly, I think she looks good in purple as a blonde. Okay, anyway. All right, I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to get her made up and do a whole bunch of other stuff, all right? I will see you guys in the next one. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss what's next. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.